we'll be going over the Dazzle Sump Controller lights and alarms. But first, let's reprogram the controller. Press and hold the programming button until the unit beeps once. Now you're ready to set the high level. Press and hold the button again until the unit beeps twice. Now you're ready to set the low level. Press and hold. The unit is now ready to use. If the level of the sump gets too high, the lights at the top will turn yellow and then red, and the alarm will sound. If the level gets low, the lights will turn yellow and then red. Any alarm means the sump requires immediate attention. Thanks for watching. Contact Zebra Skimmers with any other questions.